Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you are a subscriber. So welcome back to EMA's week. So I've reacted to a few already, but today's is DOJA Cat Say So, which I feel like I've heard her perform Say So about 20 times now. But you know, I'm gonna give her a chance. We'll see if she like switches it up or something, I don't know. But yeah, without further ado, we're just gonna get straight on with it. What the? Is that Miss DOJA? DOJA, we're doing Miss, didn't even know it's my punches to roll with. You do know this song, don't you, sis? What the? Oh, she's unreal. Not her doing a rock rendition of Say So, the TikTok song. She's doing a rock version, no. Oh. Oh my god. Sorry to stop her just before we get into the chorus, but this is unreal. I love her. Her vocals are so strong. Oh. Versatility is really unmatched. Oh my god. I mean, we know Nicki's a versatile girl, but like, Nicki's not doing rock performances. You know, it's crazy how DOJA does this. Like, oh, breath like this, set like this. I love her, honestly. She's something else. I mean, this Say So song, she's performed it about 20 times now, and every single time she manages to, I'm gonna switch it up. Every time. I think with the VMA she did not long ago, she did like a proper rendition with a remix. Now she's doing a rock version. Oh, my girl DOJA never sleeps. She never sleeps. She's at all these award shows. She's getting her bag. She's getting her bag. Really controlled, actually. I've not actually seen DOJA like belt a note like that before. Very, very nice, very controlled. Hold on, what? Oh! That is so high. She's almost as high as this guitar is singing there. So guys, that was DOJA Cat performing Say So at the EMAs. Oh my god, I really, really loved that. That was the best performance I've had from the EMAs all night. It was amazing. She's unreal. Her vocals were crazy. It was crazy how much she changed this song. She took it from a real pop radio beat and really done it into a rock song. Like, it was, oh, she's unreal. Let me know if you guys liked it down below. If you did, let me know. If you didn't, also let me know. We'll have a little chat about it. While you're down there, my social medias will be there. So if you would like to follow me, you know what I mean, go for it. No pressure, no pressure. But yeah, that's all I'm going to say for you guys today. So see you later, guys.